Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The DJI Mavic MINI is a great drone with a strong and lightweight build, more than an acceptable camera, and easy-to-use controller, which makes the DJI Mavic MINI a perfect drone for beginners and younger pilots looking to fly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Weighing just 249 grams, Mavic MINI is portable, easy to fly, designed for safety and perfect for everyone who wants to experience the fun of flying. That puts Mavic MINI in the safest drone category, which in many areas exempts it from regulations that apply to other, heavier drones.
Let's help you make your mark.
Mavic MINI operators are not given a free pass to fly wherever and whenever they wish. The only change at this point is the need to pay $5 to the FAA for a certificate of aircraft registration. The aircraft is operated in a manner that does not interfere with and gives way to any manned aircraft.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It can shoot 2.7K video though, which is good enough for most of us, especially considering it manages to do it while weighing a mere half-pound, just slightly heavier than a phone. The Mavic MINI is small, light, and very portable. It's the perfect drone for travel, even hiking or backpacking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.